Hi, my name is Jim Mose, and today I'd like to share information with you about the DualLiner bed liner. This is a 2019 F150. I did a fair amount of research on bed liners before selecting the DualLiner bed liner. The website had a lot of great information, and based on the features, advantages, and benefits that I read about on the website, thought this would be a good product for me. Ordering was very easy. Shipping was fast. The instructions were well written and simple to understand. It was a very easy installation. I did it all myself. The materials are high quality. They fit perfectly, and I couldn't be happier. So I'm happy to recommend it, and I plan on keeping this truck for a long time, and I'm convinced that this DualLiner product will last at least as long as the truck. So thank you very much.